If you want to stop the quality filter on x.com, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to turn it off so you can control what appears in your notifications. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Let's get started. First, open x.com and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see the full menu right away, click More. This will open the additional options you need. Next, click Settings and Privacy. This is where x.com keeps account controls, privacy options, and notification settings. Once you're inside, click Notifications. On the Notifications page, look for Filters and click that option. This section controls how x.com filters the notifications you receive. Now find the Quality Filter toggle and switch it off. Turning this off stops x.com from filtering notifications based on quality, so you can see more of what comes through. As soon as the toggle is off, the change is applied. That's all there is to it. You've now stopped the quality filter on x.com or Twitter in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.